what's up, YouTube? This video we talking about how to market your clothing brand and actually get sales. Alright, let's get it. So the topic is why most clothing brands marketing doesn't convert. So it has all to do with conversion ratio. The way you want to look at it really is as the best way to grow is say you want to look at it from a perspective that you want to externally grow exponentially by, for example, what Facebook did to Instagram, what Amazon did to Whole Foods, which was externally grow, and that's by acquisitions, acquiring. And the way you want to look at yours is as if you are a corporator and you're wanting to rate your own brand, and it's a duality, a mixture of the two. So you want to have great systems, great marketing, great team, everything, infrastructure. The top 3 channels is TikTok, Instagram, email. There's organic growth and paid. Like the way I'm growing now, and the objective, the vehicle it could do for me is dope, because I'm using content creation, which builds trust for real. Most people are just typing things. I'm actually adding value in every video, so there's no way I don't know what I'm talking about. And every new video, it just gets more consistent. So it builds more trust with my audience. I just pray my things all go viral, and convert. Like, comment, subscribe. Schedule a call with me, Calendly, for real. And content versus ads. You want to post content and versus ads. So alright, you want to make sure it's alright. So look, they probably had posted a lot, DM, word of mouth, to where they selling their brand pieces. Very good, right? And then they have drops and they're selling. So you don't want to get a billion drops until you're first selling the people who you're posting and messaging and your word of mouth. And you can also do this thing where you give an extra gift for purchasing, so that way you get a little courtesy or promotion if they hand it to someone else. That's not required too much. You want to collect emails, purchases, and do SMS marketing as well as email marketing. Building brand people want to buy from things that are passionate. They symbolize and represent something very passionate. For example, religion, God. It has symbolisms that represent a purpose, a passion behind their purchase. Harley Davidson is a motorcycle club. Clubs represent a passion. So whatever you do, make sure yours most likely does these things, so they're more timeless. The brand will be more long term when it pops. It's the probability. So if you want help building this with your paid ads, email marketing, SMS marketing, book or call. You want help building this? Book or call. Hello. It's gonna be my Calendly and my school for my students. I want to do the same thing I'm doing. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.